Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Substitution Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the topic of substitution. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, which gives you the answers, but you can pause this slide for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, which gives you the answers, and here they are. So you can check how you went now, and I'll leave this slide on again for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now.